Large language models, that is LLMs, cannot automatically erase your past queries from their core architecture upon request. Unlike traditional databases, where information sits in clear rows, AI integrates data into an interconnected web of billions of mathematical weights, making direct extraction nearly impossible. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. To completely scrub an individual's specific query from a fully trained model's memory, tech companies would practically have to retrain the entire foundational model from scratch. Because this process costs millions of dollars, true literal deletion is currently a structural roadblock. Instead, AI providers comply with data subject access requests, that is DSARs, by implementing multi-layered guardrails. They delete your visible chat history, purge raw text logs from future training pools, and use output filters to block sensitive info. Global privacy laws are adapting to this technical bottleneck. Regulators increasingly accept functional non-influence through emerging machine unlearning techniques and data anonymization rather than demanding impossible code reconstruction. Ultimately, the best defense is proactive protection. Users should opt out of data training in their privacy settings before prompting, or utilize enterprise APIs to ensure their data never enters the training pipeline. Let's look into today's headlines. Brazil's new AI model catching the attention of the global AI community. The city of Rio de Janeiro in Brazil has released a decent AI model, which is beating even some of the top LLMs in the world. Rio de Janeiro's city government has released Rio 3.5 Open 397B, a 397 billion parameter AI model that is suddenly attracting attention across the global AI community. The model was developed by iPlanRIO, the municipal IT company responsible for the city's digital infrastructure and public services, and has been released on Hugging Face under an MIT license. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and French President Emmanuel Macron inaugurated Bharat Innovates 2026. Prime Minister of India Shri Narendra Modi and President of the French Republic Emmanuel Macron jointly inaugurated the maiden edition of Bharat Innovates 2026. Organized by the Government of India as an initiative of the Union Ministry of Education, this high-impact event serves as a premium platform for advanced innovation-led partnerships between India's deep tech innovators and global stakeholders. Addressing the gathering, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi underscored India's growing leadership in innovation and technology. SanDisk stock soars 7,100% to near $200 amid AI demand. SanDisk's stock skyrocketed from $27.89 in April 2025 to $2,021 in June 2026, representing a staggering gain of over 7,100% and showcasing the strong demand driven by AI infrastructure. It further highlights the company's robust performance in the AI hardware market and attracting significant investor interest. SanDisk signed 3 new business model agreements in fiscal Q3 and 2 more in Q4, aimed at enhancing revenue visibility and earnings power during a period of tight supply. Growing AI demand fuels smartphone price increases. The rising demand for memory chips used in AI-enabled devices and large-scale data centers is pushing RAM costs upward, placing additional pressure on smartphone manufacturers across the globe. Industry experts suggest this trend could affect smartphones across all segments, from premium flagship models to mid-range devices, as manufacturers compete for a limited supply of high-performance memory components needed to support increasingly advanced AI capabilities. Apple confirms end of software updates for 16 iPad, Mac, Apple Watch and Apple TV models. Apple unveiled its next generation software updates for the iPhone, iPad, Mac, and other devices during its Worldwide Developers Conference, that is WWDC 2026, last week. Alongside the keynote announcements, the company confirmed that support for several older devices will be discontinued. With the rollout of iPad OS 27, Watch OS 27, Mac OS 27 Golden Gate, and TV OS 27, a total of 16 devices across 4 product categories will no longer receive the latest software updates. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.